Welcome to Video 9, Algebraic Properties and Linear Equations. In this video, you will learn how to work with algebraic expressions, apply the laws of algebra, collect like terms, and solve linear equations with examples from aviation. An algebraic expression is made up of terms. A term is any part separated by a plus or minus sign. The number in front of a variable is the coefficient, shown here in green. The variable is the unknown, usually a letter, shown in yellow. A constant is a fixed number with no variable, shown in purple. The expression 3x plus 2y minus 5 has three terms. There are three key laws of algebra. The commutative law. Order does not change the result when adding or multiplying. 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. The associative law. Grouping does not matter. 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives 6, regardless of how you group the terms. The distributive law lets you multiply a term across a bracket. 3 times the bracket x plus 4 equals 3x plus 12. Like terms share the same variable and can be added or subtracted together. Look at 5x plus 3x plus 2, y minus y. Group the x terms. 5x plus 3x gives 8x. Group the y terms. 2y minus y gives y. The simplified result is 8x plus y. A linear equation contains one unknown raised to the power of 1. To solve it, apply the same operation to both sides to keep balance. To solve 3x plus 7 equals 19. Subtract 7 from both sides to get 3x equals 12. Then divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 4. Rearranging a formula means making a different variable the subject by isolating it on one side using inverse operations. In aviation, Ohm's law states V equals 1 times R, where V is voltage, I is current, and R is resistance. To make R the subject, divide both sides by I. This gives R equals V divided by I. Pause now and try this. Solve the equation 3x minus 4 equals 11. Find the value of x. Add 4 to both sides. 3x equals 15. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 5. Question 1. Simplify. 5a plus 3b minus 2a minus b. Pause and choose your answer. The answer is A, 3a plus 2b. 5a minus 2a equals 3a. 3b minus b equals 2b. Question 2. Solve 4x plus 5 equals 21. Pause and choose your answer. The answer is A, x equals 4. Subtract 5 from both sides. 4x equals 16. Divide by 4. X equals 4. Question 3. The formula V equals y times r. Which expression correctly makes r the subject? Pause and choose your answer. The answer is AR equals V divided by I. Divide both sides by I to isolate R. Here is your reference card for algebra. A term is any part of an expression separated by a plus or minus sign. Like terms share the same variable, and their coefficients can be combined. The commutative law means order does not change the result. The distributive law lets you expand brackets. For a linear equation, apply the same operation to both sides. To rearrange a formula, isolate the subject using inverse operations. That is video 9 complete. You can now work with algebraic expressions, apply the laws of algebra, collect like terms, and solve linear equations and rearranged formulae. Video 10 covers quadratic equations.